Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Etsy Search Analytics for Marketplace SEO, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Etsy Search Analytics for Marketplace SEO, open your web browser. Sign in to your Etsy seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Managers section at the top of the page. Click on the Marketing tab on the left-hand menu. In the drop-down menu, select Etsy Ads. Scroll down to find the Search Analytics section. Click on the View Search Analytics link. A new page will load with various search data related to your shop. On this page, you can see keywords that brought traffic to your listings. To download this data, look for the Download button, usually located at the top right of the Analytics section. Click the Download button, and a drop-down will appear. Select the desired format for your download, typically CSV or Excel. After making your selection, the file will be prepared for download. Wait for the download to finish, ensuring you save it to a known location on your computer. Once saved, open the file using a spreadsheet program of your choice. This downloaded data will provide insights into search terms, performance, and potential SEO improvements. Analyze the keywords and search trends to optimize your listings effectively. By leveraging this information, you can better understand your audience and enhance your shop's visibility. Make adjustments to your product titles, tags, and descriptions based on the analytics insights. Regularly monitor your search analytics to track progress and adapt your strategies. This complete guide will help you utilize Etsy Search Analytics for improved marketplace SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.